For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manns, and it's time for your daily dose of the doctor. Well, this morning was definitely a big blowout on the open. China spooked the market. China spooked the whole world's markets, and we had a big gap to the downside, and the market has just failed to rally most of the session. But I would like to take a look at trade handling on one of the setups from the Around the Horn plan and explain to you why it is going to be booked as a no trade tonight. Some of you are going to be confused by that, I'm sure, but I like to err on the side of caution, err on the side of being conservative when I book these. So let's have a look at VVC. We see here VVC, Vectron Corporation, is a fastball setup on the short side of the market, 42.32 entry, 42.68 stop. 42.12 was 50% of the distance to the target, and the target was $41.92. Now, if you're playing this one by the book and you look at what happened this morning, you would think that with a 42.28 open, this stock opened with allowable slippage and got you into the trade for a trip to the profit target. Here's the problem. This 42.28 open printed about 5,000 shares. That was the entirety of that first print, and this stock didn't trade again for about 7 minutes, at which point it actually opened down about 50% of the distance to the profit target. So the rules say if you get 50% of the distance to the target, in order to trigger an entry, you need to get 8 cents above the trigger line. So it would have had to go up to $42.40 in order to generate a viable entry. And we would have only taken one entry on this for the rest of the session, not two. That's moot. It didn't ever get up above this line, and that is the reason that it is booked the way that it's booked, even though on a 5-minute chart it looks like it gave you an entry opportunity and a trip to the target. So it's one of those days. Market was down big on the open. Big opens like that, a lot of times the best use for your hands is as a seat cushion. Very, very difficult to navigate what's going on in the markets with all the excess volatility around a 300-point opening gap. Tomorrow's another day. We got the rest of the week. Not to worry. If you have any questions about how to use the trading plan, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. I hope you had a great trading day today and an even better one on deck for tomorrow. Happy New Year. The best trader education anywhere, only from traderinsight.com.